Welcome to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to track Archangel token reflections. I made a purchase about a week ago, and we'll put on a nice spreadsheet. Just want to shout out to Saitama Stacker channel on YouTube. He put up a nice spreadsheet on tracking reflections. We're going to start tracking some Archangel reflections tokens. So let's check it out. Alright, let's learn a little bit about Archangel. There's a lot to learn. There's a whole bunch of really good information on their website, archangeltoken.com. And if you go to the Telegram channel, there's a lot of good information on there too, and a lot of people on the Telegram channel answer ton of your questions. There's always moderators on there, and they do a really good job. But we're on the website right now. Primary use case is to build an ecosystem that provides users with valuable solutions that maximize personal control of finances, financial independence. Every project within our ecosystem will provide users with a solution that makes them smarter, more informed, more diversified, and risk averse. And man, you can go through and read all this, but this is a big thing right here: building solutions. Archangel is developing solutions using internal projects executed by the Archangel community and external projects executed by project teams outside of Archangel community. The dual path development strategy, as seen below and described on our technical roadmap, greatly accelerates the development of a robust ecosystem and improves the speed in which solutions can be delivered to users, which is kind of huge when you wrap your mind around it. 9-10 months ahead of schedule. A bunch of projects are working on, and these aren't even the external projects. These are only the internal ones, and you're going to have to dig in to all of these on your own, figure it out. I'm going to try to figure out more about Gabriel. The other external project is called the Scratch Engine. It's an NFT like pricing platform, like say Kelly Blue Book is for cars, and that's coming out in the next, let's say mid-February is what I heard him say on an AMA. Let's look at their tokenomics of Archangel. So it starts out with 100 quadrillion, and 45% were burned at launch. Let's see what we got here. Security audit completed by Solid Proof project team, photos and bios, KYCs from 3 different agencies. There's 6% transaction taxes, 2% burn, 2% reflections, and 2% goes to operation. They recently migrated to a new contract on the ERC20, which adds a lot of features, and one of those is the 2% redistribution that goes to the operations is paid in Ethereum instead of Archangel tokens. So they don't have to sell Archangel tokens to get cash to go pay for advertising or marketing or development or charities or anything like that. So that saves one more transaction fee, and it prevents from dumping the price. So that's a good thing off of the new contract. There's more to the new contract. Oh, and the 6% transaction tax is not included when you send it to another wallet. So if you said, hey, I think my wallet on MetaMask or whatever got compromised by whatever reason, you could send that to another wallet, and there's no tax on that, which is actually kind of huge, because I had to send some Saitama to another wallet, and I ended up being 2%, which is 2% of your tokens goes away. It's kind of bad, but so the new contract allows to send to another wallet, and there's no tax on that. I haven't confirmed that. I haven't sent mine to another wallet yet. That's just what I heard. Staking pool, and man, that'll be in the next month for the reflections from the entire ecosystem. It's pretty big. Reflections from all the other projects they're going to be working on. They're working on 5, 6, 7, 8 projects. Man, what's it going to be like in a year from now when there's 8 other tokens and they all give you reflections to Archangel token holders? That's going to be big time. Archangel token ecosystem, the new ecosystem projects that are under development. Guardian, which is a crypto solution and tools across all sectors. I gotta do some more research on that. Scratch, which is real-time NFT market evaluator, research, and DeFi for NFTs. And I don't see anybody else doing that. There's a couple other ones. Component 2, education info, Google CDN. Not sure what that is. Some sort of Google Cloud something. I don't know. Component 5, security and digital identity. All right, let's check out the price. Dex tools. This is Archangel price. I have it set on 4 hours. Scroll out a little bit. Looks like it just went down. I have a trend line. It hit it over here on December 17th. It hit it again on December 20th. And it's been trending up this line for three days. And today it just crossed it and went below it. No worries. Still a good price. I mean, I'm not a trader. I'm an investor in this token. So let's see what we got down here for transactions. A lot of sales happened today. Not too many. Last recent one was a buy. It was like an hour ago. 4.2 ETH. Let's see what this guy has in his wallet. Only Archangel. Nice. That's really cool to see. So one transaction sent in 0.25 ETH from Coinbase and bought Archangel with it. That's awesome. That's like me. Let's do it. On to Etherscan again. The token page. Current holders. Let me write that down. 4564. I think that last purchase was a new holder. Look at the holder count. Top holder wallet is the Burn wallet. It's 48%, so it's gone up 2% since initial burn. Second wallet must be the contract address. That's what this means here. I'm not 100% sure. Then there's 4 wallets with 2.5%, which is a ton of tokens, right? And 3 more wallet addresses that have 1%. Then Uniswap has 808. What is that? Million, billion, trillion, 808 trillion on Uniswap. It's just an Excel spreadsheet. Made some modifications. The one I got from Saitama Stacker channel. Dean, he's a pretty squared away guy. He's a nice guy, and he does a good job promoting Saitama Reflections. I mean, Saitama's one of the first ones that has reflections or had reflections, and there's been a lot of tokens since then that came out reflections taxes. Some of them are ridiculous, like 10, 12%. This is 6% in Archangel. It's just like Saitama. Saitama has 4%, except for Archangel adds a 2% more tax that goes back to the development team on a multi-signature wallet, so they can pay for development, advertising, marketing, stuff like that. All right, so let's just update this. Today is the, what are we, the 3rd? Total reflections is up here. I initially bought 1 trillion tokens, 1 trillion and 160 million. Current total count is 1,403 million, and total reflections 243 million. Current value 11 cents. It's not a lot. Let me update the price. Excellent. Price is down from where I bought it. I got it at 9 zeros and an 8.2. So not worried about that. So this is the Archangel token reflections tracker. I'm also tracking the amount of holders just to keep track of it. Volume's low, $48,000. That's it. You know, the holder count is low. It's only 4,564. That's not. I mean, it's so new with this project. It's kind of at the ground floor, and they have potential to go places. I mean, they're building a lot of projects. We're going to go through some of the projects later. I'll do some research and touch on a little thing here and there. Where are we at here? Let's go back to CoinGecko. What's CoinGecko say? Right there, CoinGecko for volume. Same thing, 48,000, 24-hour trading volume. Scroll down their chart. Scroll down and hit good. That's 100% positive feedback on CoinGecko for Archangel. Pretty cool. Well, all right, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Hold on a second. I forgot to tell you one thing. There's a live AMA every Sunday on YouTube. It's called Arca Cafe. It's with some of the dev team and some of the community, and you can pretty much ask whatever you want on there, and you should check it out. It's 9 p.m. Sunday night Eastern time. Lasts a couple hours usually, but you'll get some good nuggets information out of there. All right, check it out. It's live streamed AMA. Lots of times Joe, he's the head guy at Archangel, is on there talking. But Crypto Caddy, it's on his stream, and there's also an Archangel token page. Crypto Quester, he has his own page, and he'll stream it. Mr. Oslin, he's part of the crew, and a lot of good information on there. The one from yesterday had a lot of good information on it. They had an AMA with the Scratch token team, and they explained a lot about their NFT project, pricing project. So that's worth looking into if you want more information. Sometimes it's long, sometimes it's like 2-3 hours. They just goof around. You'll get some good nuggets information out of there. If you got nothing else going on, just listen to it while you're doing something else, watching a ball game or something, right? So anyway, it's a lot of good information on there on Arca Cafe Sundays. What does it say? Sundays, 9 p.m. Eastern. So good information there. All right.